We'll guide you through how to add music to Instagram notes. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to your Instagram messages as you usually would. So go to the home page and swipe across. And then at the top here, you can go and see the Your Note option. All you need to do is go and click there like this, and we'll then go and get this sort of screen here. And at the top, you can go and type in your note. But of course, we don't want to type anything in. We want to go and add music. And so to do that, you just need to go below your profile picture. And as you can see, you've then got the music icon. If you aren't seeing that music icon, then just make sure the Instagram app is up to date. You can check that in your App Store or Play Store. If you still don't have it, you may just need to wait because it's still being rolled out. But if you do have it, then all you need to do is go and click on it. You can then go and search for the music you wish to go and add. Let's say I want to go and add this Drake song at the top here. I'd go and click on it, and you can then go and choose the section you want to use. You can go and hear the selection you've selected, then press done. And as you can see, you've now added it here, and you can then click on share in the top right, and it's now been shared. Now above the messages list, you can go and see your note with the song you went and added. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.